Hi, so I wanted to show you how to use the word cards. Word cards is a tool, a brainstorming tool that's great to facilitate brand workshops. So when you're crystallizing a brand's personality together with your team for a client or for your own business, use these cards as a way to generate ideas or get inspired for new ideas. So the word cards enable you to define the brand archetype, the tone of voice, personality trait, and brand style. The best way to use these cards is together with our brand canvas because it works as one system. So let's look into how to use it. The best way is first when you're running a workshop, and you're going through different pages on the brand canvas, such, for example, as personality traits. So, and you're discussing this together with your team or your client, then you can use the personality traits on the other side of your screen as a way to go through it and get new ideas. Um, so when you've created the short list of these ideas, you can drag and drop them onto these images, the short list, onto your desktop. And then from the desktop, you can drag and drop the image onto the Miro board and adjust the side as you feel fit. So this way you can define, for example, the personality traits that are surely a yes and personality traits that are surely a no. Same way you'll be able to define the tone of voice and style characteristics. And also there is brand archetype section. So I hope you will find this useful and have fun as you are creating.